Your paycheck hits your account. For a moment, you feel great. Then you blink, and it's gone, eaten by bills and random purchases. You're back to counting the days, stressed until the next check lands. What if a simple 6-step routine you can do the moment you get paid could break this cycle for good? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about giving your money a simple plan. This routine, done in the first 30 minutes after your check drops, is the difference between playing catch-up and finally taking financial control. Section 1. The core principle: from chaos to clarity. Feeling like your money controls you is a stressful cycle that repeats every month. It's pure chaos. Money comes in, a storm of bills hits, and you're left wondering where it all went. That's a reactive state. But people who win with money don't play defense. They play offense. They have a system. They don't wait to see what's left over to save. They save first and learn to live on the rest. This routine isn't a restrictive budget. It's a proactive strategy that puts you in the driver's seat, telling your money exactly where to go. Section 2. The Payday Perfection Routine. Step 1. Know your numbers. Before you do anything, you need a clear picture. This takes 5 minutes. Pull up your pay stub and find your net income, or take-home pay. This is the real amount you have to work with. Next, list your essential fixed expenses for this pay period: rent, utilities, car payments. The goal isn't to judge, it's to get a baseline. Step 2. Pay yourself first. This is the golden rule. Before you pay your landlord or any other bill, you pay yourself. This is reverse budgeting. You spend what's left after saving. Your first move is to transfer a portion of your paycheck to a separate savings account. Automate this transfer for every payday to remove willpower from the equation. Your first priority is an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Even $50 a paycheck builds the habit. Step 3. Automate your 4 walls. Now, secure your immediate survival, your 4 walls: housing, utilities, food, and transportation. The key here is automation. Schedule all your predictable bill payments to go out right after your payday. This prevents late fees, protects your credit, and gives you incredible peace of mind. Your foundation is now solid for the month. Step 4. Crush your high-interest debt. If paying yourself first builds wealth, high-interest debt destroys it. After you've paid yourself and secured your 4 walls, any extra money needs to be aimed right here. Make your minimum payments on all debts, then throw any extra cash at your highest interest debt first. This is the debt avalanche method. It creates powerful momentum and buys back your future income. Step 5. Invest for growth. Once high-interest debt is gone, your money can flow into building long-term wealth. This doesn't have to be intimidating. It's about consistent, automated contributions to low-cost index funds or ETFs in a retirement account. Just like your savings, automate your investments. Even a small amount grows massively over time thanks to compound growth. Step 6. Plan your fun. Guilt-free spending. This step is critical for sustainability. After all your responsibilities are handled, whatever is left over is yours to spend, completely guilt-free. A budget with no room for enjoyment is doomed to fail. A good guideline is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. This turns budgeting into an act of empowerment. Section 3. The transformation. Imagine your next payday. Your check lands. Instantly, Money zips into savings, your bills get paid automatically, and an extra payment hits your debt. The money left over is yours to enjoy without guilt. That's the after state, a feeling of calm and control. This isn't a fantasy, it's the result of this simple routine. To help you start, I've put together a free, one-page payday routine checklist. It walks you through these 6 steps so you can build this powerful habit. Download it for free at the link in the description. Start with your very next paycheck. Your future self is counting on you.